Hello all, my name is Krishnag and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now many of you all subscribers are basically asking to review applied AI course. So I'm going to just review this particular course, show you all the details, what all modules they have basically covered. And guys, this video is not sponsored by Applied AI. So it is up to you whether you want to go ahead and buy this particular course. It is completely up to you. So I've just been reviewing this course and I'll just say you that how the course is, and we'll also measure some factors. So to begin with, guys, I'd like to start with on what basis I'm going to review this particular course. So the first thing that I would focus on is course content. Okay, based on course content, I will give some points, and then we have placement assistance, then whether it is affordable or not. Okay, whether the course is able to provide placement assistance, and then whether the course is affordable or not. How is the mentor? Okay, how is the mentor is my fourth point. And finally we'll also discuss about based on the duration of the course, we'll also try to provide some points. Now the overall points that I'm going to provide is 10. So for each and every topic over here, I'll be providing the max of 2 points. So let us go ahead and try to see first the course content. So as you all know, guys, this applied AI course is basically a course where they will be providing you the course, and it is validity is for 12 months. And they also provide job guarantee program in this. If you are not able to clear or get jobs, they return back your money. And how much is the fees for this particular course? It is somewhere around 25,000 rupees INR plus GST. So based on this, I would like to say that affordable, I will say it as moderate. It is not that too costly like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs. It is not too cheap like how we have Udemy courses like 500, 600. I'll say moderate. And when I say moderate, I would like to give the points somewhere around 1.5, because again, there are people who cannot just afford this price also, somewhere around 25K. So based on the 2 points, I'm giving 1.5 points. But if professional people are there, if people who are working, I think they can definitely afford. And the validity and the duration of the course is 11 months. Okay, that basically means that sorry, not 11 months, 12 months, that is for 1 year. That basically means that the content will be given you for 12 months. This is the problem that I think I was expecting. If this course had been provided for a complete lifetime, it had been much more better. But yes, they due to some reasons of their own, I don't know what may be the reasons, they are providing this for 12 months. And within the 12 months, if they are not able to give you, I mean, if you're not able to clear the interviews, then that basically means that you'll be getting your money back guarantee. So after this 12 months, so based on this particular 12 months, the duration of the course is also big. But since this is an online course, it is up to you whether you can complete it in 3 months, 4 months, and 5 months, right? So when I say duration of the course, this is basically I'm saying that till when the course is valid. Okay, so the validity of the course. So for this, I would like to give again, this is a 1 year program, max of validity of 1 year. I'd like to give again 1.5 to this. Because I'm considering that this course is not given for lifetime. So because of that, I'm just reducing 0.5. Okay, but 12 months is also a big time. You can learn a lot of things from this. About the mentor. So if you don't know about Applied AI, guys, Applied AI is a startup company, and I'll just show you their YouTube channel. Okay, so YouTube. So let's see, we'll just do that Google search, because the mentor name over here for the Applied AI course is Shrikant, Mr. Shrikant. We'll discuss about him a lot. And if you don't know about Shrikant, Shrikant has basically cleared his master's from ISC Bangalore. Okay, ISC Bangalore. And he has also been an ex-employee of Amazon. So pretty much, and he comes from a background where he has actually worked a lot. So what we can suggest is that yes, the course content that he may create will be definitely good. Here is his YouTube channel where you can find out all the free videos, and he is Mr. Shrikant, and I've personally seen his videos. It's uh, pretty much good. And yes, some of the queries that I also have, I've got cleared some of the queries from his videos again. So the teaching wise, I think Mr. Shrikant is very very good. Now let us go for that. For this, definitely I would like to give the mentor point of 2, because I've seen the mentor teaching skills, and he's pretty much good. He's very very good. In short, the concepts related be with respect to statistics, data science, and all. It is very good. And how I'm saying it, just go and watch this free content, okay? And with this help of this free content, you'll be able to understand how he basically teaches you, okay? Now, let us go to the main part, that is about the course content, right? And after going to the course content, we'll also talk about placement assistance. Now, since this company has made sure that they are going to provide guaranteed placement, and within the 12 months time frame, if they are not providing it, they'll just give back your money back. So this is pretty much good. For that, definitely I would like to give the placement assistance marks as 2. And I've also seen some of the reviews. My friend has been taking this particular course. I have also got some reviews from him. Yes, people are able to get the placement from this particular company, and I'm able to see some reviews from Quora and all also, and people are suggesting that the content is also good and the placement assistant is also good. Now let us go over here. I've basically given the placement assistance as 2 points because yes, they are providing it, otherwise they are just giving back your money. Now the next thing is that how is the course content. Now guys, I've also personally seen the course content again from this YouTube videos, okay, and how they have taught. They have uploaded a lot of videos. If you want to just check it out, you can just search for applied AI course in YouTube. Apart from that, you can see over here the course content basically starts module wise. In the module 1, Python programming language is the most focus point over here, and you can see over here we have Python data structure, functions, NumPy, Matplotlib, pandas, and many more things. Apart from this, when I go to the next module, over here you have exploratory data analysis and data visualization. And you can see that based on the use cases, like if you go and see some of the videos over here which are freely available, you'll be able to see that with respect to the use cases, they are actually trying to teach statistics and linear algebra and the maths. And trust me guys, why I'm saying this, because I've seen these videos from this YouTube channel, okay? So the content that he's basically trying to teach, and I always say that probability and statistics or linear algebra or maths should be taught in such a way that you will be able to understand with the real world use case, and that is what Mr. Srikanth has basically done in all these particular videos. So they have covered linear algebra, probability, statistics, dimension reduction, visualization, PCA, and they also have interview questions. So after completing module 2, they move towards foundational natural language processing and machine learning, where they are focusing on classification and regression problem, with all the coding functionality, naive Bayes, logical regression, linear regression. I think they have just covered all the machine learning algorithms in short. Then they also have machine learning part 2, where they are focusing on SVM, decision tree, ensemble methods like random forest and XGBoost. So this is also pretty much good. So in short, the content is covered with respect to machine learning. It is covered completely. Then you have feature engineering. Along with that, you have deployment of models also. So you can go ahead and see to this. Deployment of models is very very important, as I say everyone guys. Again, I'm repeating it. Whenever you are going to buy any course, let it be applied AI or anything else, right, make sure that you have deployment of ML models in that. You should have, because deployment of ML models is required when you're working in any IT company as a data scientist, because that knowledge is definitely required, because you're able to create an API from a model, okay? So make sure that deployment of ML models is the important thing that should happen. And not only ML models, I think if you are going ahead with this particular course, ask them questions that whether they are going to provide deployments for deep learnings, which we see in the upcoming modules, okay? So in the module 6, let us see some of the real world case studies. And real world case studies involves Quora question pair similarity problem, personalized cancer diagnosis, Facebook friend recommendation using graph mining, taxi demand prediction in New York City, Stack Overflow tag predictor, Microsoft malware detection, ad click prediction. So I think the capstone project is also very good, and this is based on real world use case studies. And after that, you also have recommender system. They have covered everything, I guess. In unsupervised machine learning, they have covered K means, hierarchical mean, DB scan. The course content looks pretty amazing guys, because there are a whole lot of things that they have put it, okay? And based on recommendation system, they have two important projects. One is Amazon fashion discovery engine, that is basically a content based recommendation. And then Case study 9, they have Netflix movie recommendation system, which is again a pretty famous project because there was a $1 million competition for this only, Netflix movie recommendation system. Uh, After completing those models, they go to the module 8 where they discuss about neural networks, computer vision, and deep learning. They have covered this, and again, here they are basically using TensorFlow and Keras. Again, you can see everything. They have covered ANN, CNN, LSTM, RNN, everything. Okay, and apart from that, generative adversarial network is also covered, which is pretty much important nowadays. If I go to the model 9, which is basically deep learning real world case studies, you can see human activity recognition, self driving car, music generation using deep learning. This is a very interesting project because I had done recently this one where I've used LSTM RNN to basically generate or create an application which generates the music. So definitely the course content looks awesome, and there are a whole lot of things to learn. So I'd like to give for the course content somewhere around 2. So if I sum it up, so 2 plus 4, 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So I'd like to give this whole course somewhere around 9. And this is just not my saying, guys. There were feedbacks and reviews from Quora site and from other social platforms, social networking platforms. So, and we found out that yes, most of the people liked it, most of the students liked it. Even I said that most of my friends are taking up this particular course, and it is pretty much good. Yes, so out of 10, I'm basically giving 9 for this particular course. This is what about, I mean, this is what is all about this particular review of applied AI course. But make sure, guys, if you are going ahead with this particular course, go when you call them, ask all the related questions that you have. Try to understand that it is you who is taking up that particular course, how this particular course is going to help you if you are planning to go ahead with it. But with respect to the mentor, I think the mentor is fabulous. He does a wonderful job, and you can basically check from this YouTube videos. So again, guys, one more point to note: this video is not promoted by Applied AI course. It's just my genuine feedback because many of you have basically asked this. So this was all about this particular videos, guys. I hope you like this. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Please do subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you, one and all.